Man, Cheyenne always have the nice dress, man. She always have the nice suits. I'm gonna big up on that. She always
You good?
dress nice. And my dude give her.
Oh, he actually just bought me a gift. Like, that's really cute. That's really thoughtful, you know.
Damn, that's crazy. You got a kiss on the cheek already?
See, I like this.
And then bring out a gift.
Some style.
Bit of bubbly.
You came different, bro.
Notes, nice to meet you. Cheyenne.
This guy came different.
Cool. So do you do this to all the women you date?
No, I don't.
You lying to me? You lying?
No. Just seeing her for the first time ever is just like, you know, life-changing for me.
Wow, this guy
I really hope that she can take me seriously and, you know, just believe that I'm not some boy.
I wonder if he's joking, bro, because
he's
he just said it.
Isn't he? Are you good at opening champagne?
Oh, yeah, of course.
Are you? What's in here? Do you want me to open it now? Or?
Yeah, go on.
Man, Cheyenne always dressed a certain way to see if
no, I'm just saying we could share
guys are just gonna like
what's mine
observe
what's yours is mine.
her body, but she's like trying to catch people, man. Like seriously, let's be real, man.
This guy's got game. Can't lie. Oh, this is really cute.
Yo,
woo,
smiling already.
Gotta make sure it doesn't bubble up.
I'm not a big drinker, so I don't know any techniques.
I think she's loving this, you know.
Yo, yeah, man, this guy is
loving this right now.
Chilled.
Is he trying to get me drunk? So how many glasses of champagne do you pour for women?
It's barely any.
Are you sure? You look like you're really good at this.
Me and the man them like to celebrate.
You sure? Because you can't make eye contact as you say that.
Oh no, I'm just making sure I don't spill the champagne.
Yo, this guy is smooth, bro.
Like to celebrate.
Yo.
Okay, would you like to celebrate?
See him giving her the eye contact there. This guy is smooth, bro.
Depends on what we're celebrating.
Okay, tell me a bit about you.
I'm liking his vibes already, man.
Music.
Like, 3 minutes in.
Ever since I could talk. I like helping people make music as well.
Oh, so he's like an artist
then? As a man to woman.
How do I move to women? I don't know.
You don't know?
I'm just myself.
Do you not get women then?
I'd like to think I do, but I might not. I don't know. These questions are a bit mad, you know. I didn't expect this.
He's definitely a playboy. How many women have you slept with?
Oh, that number can run for time.
What do you mean can run for time?
You know what? I'm a virgin. I want to lose my virginity to you. I'd love to lose my virginity to you.
Up to 100 or 100 plus?
It's a sticky one still.
So are you a ladies' man?
No, I'm just chilled, man.
Chilled?
I'm just chilled.
So on average, how many women do you sleep with in a week?
Man,
oh my God.
This guy has slept with everyone in London.
This is some personal question.
I've actually chilled the fuck out, and it's mainly been like one person. So if I'm chatting to one person, I'll be in that one person for as long as...
Would you say you're good in bed?
I'd like to believe so. I've been told I am.
What's your technique in the bedroom?
A lot.
Oh my God.
I like to carry.
Yeah.
So I'd pick you up, basically.
Strong?
I don't know if I'm strong, I just like carrying though. Alright, she needs to kind of ease off with trying to get into my business too much, you know. Enough about me though, why haven't you found a man yet? Why are we even on this date?
Do you know what it is? I'm just trying to...
We've had a few dates, innit?
Yo!
Yeah, so what's
time to
going
kill her,
A
bro.
lot of people are talking.
Time to switch
and
her
it's
on,
like
bro.
not many people's actions are congruent with their... Well, do you know, because it's like you can say you're a really good man and you do all this and tick all these boxes, but...
So would you say you're a really good woman?
Absolutely.
What boxes do you feel you tick?
All of them. It's not even about...
What boxes?
Yo, I feel like he's gonna
it's because
gird her a little bit,
I've
bro.
spent
She
the
needs
last
to
few
be a
years
little bit, you
doing...
know?
I'm big on personal development. So I spent years on myself and making sure that I am a good woman.
so chill, like,
you know?
And what does it take to be a good woman?
I think just kind, caring, compassionate and selfless. Being a good woman in the home, with love and with those around you and stuff, like a hub.
So you feel like you can take care of a home?
Wait.
Yeah, absolutely.
They're saying being a good woman. Bro, the way all this old woman situation is being defined now, in like, especially in England, get careful with that woman title, bro. I'm just kidding around, guys. I'm just kidding.
I think that's standard, but...
Can you cook?
Well, I'm not really,
I can
but
cook.
I'm just kidding for the video.
Yeah. Very great cook.
Very great cook.
Yeah, my man them would have...
They do, they better ask her pronouns too, dude. Don't want to get cancelled.
Girls would too, if...
That's so funny, bro.
So how many women do you cook for?
I think I've only cooked for like 4.
How many people have you actually slept with?
Huh?
Oh my God, she came back again with that question,
I
bro.
want to lose my virginity to you.
How many people have you slept with?
Dude, she that...
Take my virginity, please.
if you start off on honesty, you get a lot more.
Yeah, the number is a lot.
Okay, just say in between.
I
Like,
don't
over
even
100.
know. I couldn't tell you.
So it's over 100.
Probably.
Have you ever like had sex with a fan?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Why would you do that?
What do you mean, why would they do that?
I
What?
was a bit young.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So you'd never go back there?
No.
With a fan?
No.
Nice, you've learnt from that.
Yeah, I've learned from
So,
from my many mistakes.
So how many fans have you slept with then? Many mistakes?
No, I'm just saying many mistakes in general. It doesn't have to always be about sleeping with someone.
yeah, I like how you actually conquer her right
I can't
there.
answer that question.
Why? And usually I don't even ask girls,
No,
but
like
this
you
is
said, I'm a
very
virgin.
interesting. You've
Nope.
been really, really
See,
honest with me.
very
Why are you lying?
equality.
So what if I slept with 100
She
men?
doesn't like
100
equality, man. She
Nah,
doesn't like
man,
equality,
not for
bruh.
me. Can't
She
lie.
always scream about equality and
That's on
fairness,
you.
but
That's what you want to do.
She
That's
doesn't
the
want
amount
equality.
of souls that
Let's
you want to
be
be
real.
tied to. That's on you.
But then would that change the way you value me as a woman?
No. You can still be part of the clique.
Yeah, but there's a difference. Being part of the clique and then being your woman are two different things.
Men and women are two different things.
yes.
No.
We are.
Yes.
So he's a playboy and he's sexist.
Dude, I don't know, understand how
You lot are very
women
different.
don't
Yeah, period.
understand
We
how
don't. We just
men
have
and
people.
women
Yeah,
are
so then why is it
different.
mad for us to then be as
That's
liberated
the
as you are?
I'm not saying
definition
that
of being
it's
different,
mad.
bruh.
I'm just saying there's a difference between men and women. You lot feel more than we do.
Yeah, but
in
we do.
general. Emotionally, you lot have much more feelings than we do. And I'm not condoning my behaviour nor men's behaviour of this whole, I can sleep with much girls as possible. I'm not condoning that. However, I would never condone a woman just freeing it up to everyone. By all means, you can do what you want to do, but you can never be my wife. Does that make sense? So we
Yeah.
can be friends, we can be mad cool. I'll never judge you. I don't pussy watch. I don't judge people. But you couldn't be my wife.
Yeah, but why? I
Dude,
don't like,
it's-
for me, it's...
Because you
Every
made your choice.
man
You
on
made your
this show
choice.
said the
You made
same
your
thing,
bed,
bruh.
so
Look
lie.
here,
You can't have that energy for
liberal
yourself
they want to
and
see it to
different for
be.
me.
You've got 100 people going inside your guts.
In reality,
Yeah, and you've gone in
men
100
don't like
people.
those stuff.
Yeah, but exactly. You see the difference? I've gone in. You understand?
But it's still energy exchange.
In your situation, they will be going into you.
Yes.
So it's like your guts have just been modelled up over 100 times. But man will still say the same.
That's true.
No, it
That's
doesn't
true.
work like that.
If you're 25 and you slept with 100 people, that's a bit of a concern as a girl.
But what if
That's
you're
a bit of a
single?
concern.
What if you've been single, like, so your whole adult
That's
life?
even
That's a lot.
worse. That's
That's a
even
lot, man.
worse.
How long have you been single for?
That's
Few years.
even worse,
What's a few
bruh.
years?
Few,
What's a few years?
like 3, maybe 4.
Wow,
Theo
people are racking
thump-
up the numbers.
No,
365,
No.
365 days
Oh,
in a year.
No.
shit.
Times how much? 3 years, you said.
Dude, he's saying
That's
that she's
roughly around
smashing.
1,000 something days.
so where are you going with this?
1,000 something days divided by 10. Yeah, you've probably been with her around 100 plus. 365 days.
The casino
Times
check-in,
three.
bruh. Remember the casino check-in?
Nah, surely she's on her bits.
Damn.
She must be.
I think we should explore.
Yo,
a
this
few
guy's actually...
solutions.
Grammarly suggestions catch
You know what's funny? When they say they've been single, dude, yeah, but you're still taking
Where you
dates,
from?
bruh.
Around here?
What's around here? Essex.
6.
Interesting.
Why is that interesting?
Well, who would you rather, Joey Essex or Notes?
Notes.
You're the best. Come, let's cheers, let's cheers. Thank you.
Yo, they
That's
actually...
alright.
This
No,
guy...
I'm warming up to him. It's cute. You
Ah.
like being famous.
It does get a bit jarring because it's like I don't have my own personal space, you know what I mean?
I'm
Like,
gonna look up
I don't
how
have
famous
my
he is.
own
I don't know. Listen, I
privacy.
don't really
I don't
know
have
him,
my
bruh.
own every single
So I don't know
time
if
I wake up.
I know that he deal
I
with
have to
music.
be Notes.
So I'm gonna check him out when,
You know what I mean? When I go to
this
sleep,
is done.
I have to be
See what kind of
Notes.
song
You
he
don't have
actually
to.
have.
Nah, you do, man. I can't go outside and just be angry and then the fan comes up to me wanting a picture and I'm just vexed and I'm like, fuck off. Like, I can't do that. But if I was who I am or the person before Notes or whatever the case is, like, somebody's trying to snap me, I'll tell them, bro, what the fuck you doing? Like, you know what I'm saying? Like,
Yeah.
But now it's like, I don't know, like I can't even get a wine in the corner, you know what I'm saying? Like I can't even dance in the corner and chill with a girl because somebody's trying to snap me.
How
or
is that for
somebody.
you?
That's dead, but it is what it is. I'll just delete it, brother. I'll get one of my man them to scare him to delete it.
How does this affect your mental health?
I always feel like I'm being watched. Feels like the Truman Show. Have you ever watched Truman Show?
God, I love that film.
Yeah, I love that film as well. But that's what actually
Truman
feels
Show.
like
I never watched that
genuinely,
film before.
I
I don't
always
know
feel
what
like
that
I'm
is.
being watched. She's got me chatting bare, innit? It might be the drink though, I can't lie.
Yeah, because he's
it's
actually telling.
opening up?
Yeah.
I've tried
Oh
it.
my God.
But I don't really enjoy it.
Why?
I don't know. It's not really my thing.
I might just head out. So you've only ever done it once? Like you've
No,
only
I've done it like maybe twice or 3 times just to confirm.
What? You've only done it 3 times in your whole life?
Yeah.
Even in your serious relationships?
Yeah, man. Like D-Block Europe was screaming about it, so I thought, you know what? Let me try it. You know what I'm saying? Like, let me give it a try. Give it a taste.
Didn't taste nice?
Nah, man. Didn't really go my way.
Just drink your pineapple, should be right.
Nah.
If you're gonna do it, you need to be confident.
Yeah,
Because I
nah.
feel like if you're just like a bit,
Nah, I'm timid.
yeah, you can't
I'm
do that.
timid. No, I'm so shy.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a shame.
Oh
Mhm.
my God. Ah!
Cheers.
Why are we cheersing? I'll say cheers.
No, cheers.
Dude, that's the way, look at her face, bro. It's
You
like,
know, silence, that speaks 1,000 words. She didn't even need to say anything. I could see it in her mind. I know she gives that mad arc. I could just tell.
When did you last have sex?
Maybe like 4 or 5 days ago.
Do you have sex just often?
No, like, I rate someone, so I'll be seeing them for however long that is.
How long is
And
that? So how long
depends.
roughly do you spend with someone before you move on to the next person?
Depends,
oh,
man. It depends what kind of connection we have. It depends what kind of history
She's in
we
a
might
grinning
have.
mood
If
right
we don't
now.
have any history at all. It depends what kind of person you are, whether I feel comfortable enough to be chilling with you and have you check in to the palace, you know.
I feel like you're the type of person that will like
Sure.
give boyfriend vibes, and then the moment a woman's like, "What are we?" You're just like, "Just friends." I feel like you give me that vibe, that you kind of lead someone on into thinking it's going
oh,
somewhere.
because he's
This
so
is
chilled.
long.
This guy is not serious.
Naturally, I am a loving person, you know. I grew up with my mum mainly, you know what I'm saying? She had me at a super young age, 17. I've just been caring towards women.
I don't know how
so
old
if
he
I have
is,
a woman
though.
in my presence and she's actually chilling with me for quite a while, whatever the case is, I'm naturally gonna show love towards her. That doesn't mean that I'm in love with her though.
I'm sure you are loving after sleeping with 5,000 people. Yeah, you're dangerous.
It's just the
that's
truth.
word.
How is that
That's like-
dangerous? How
it's
can I show you
things
love for
like
2
that.
weeks and you think I'm in love with you and you want to move in and get married and have kids?
No,
Are
but
you
that's what I'm
crazy?
saying. You're doing something. Listen,
No, I'm
if
not.
If
I'm
women
not.
are
I'm
moving
just
like
being
that,
a man. I'll take you out. I'll make you feel good whenever we do. We'll go to a club if you want
So I'm
to.
saying you're
We'll
selling
vibe out in a
dreams.
club. That's not selling dreams. That's hanging with someone. That's
yeah, but
that's
just
Yeah.
be
being able
clear
to.
then. Like, if we're doing all that and
That's
you're giving me
basically
all
what
this
men
energy,
do,
then
is
out
that
of
what
nowhere.
you're saying? We're gonna
no,
be
but I'm
doing all of that?
saying, if we're doing all that,
Yeah.
and then out of nowhere, within a few weeks, you're just like, oh, by the way, we're just friends. Can
But
you not see where the issue is?
I wouldn't say that unless you're giving me signs that you want to take this further than I do.
Do you have commitment issues then?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, I thought so.
Like Central C.
So how do you deal with that?
I don't know, man. I just continue to be me. I know, she keeps talking about commitment issues like she's Central C. Fam. She needs to relax. I swear to you, it's none of her business, none of her issues.
No, so you're not going to take any accountability for your behaviour or your actions?
Cheers.
No, I'm not cheersing until you answer it.
Cheers.
Cheers to you being what? Bit of a...
Out.
Yeah?
Let's put
Do a
that
cheers, do
down.
a cheers.
Bro, here I am trying my best
put
to,
that
you know,
down,
do the
bro.
best, and she's out there just disrespecting me. Like, what? Me? No, blood.
Do you think people go with you for your lifestyle instead of you?
Sometimes I think that.
So how do you deal with that?
Which
that
is
the way
potentially like what could be part of the commitment issues. I didn't know you from before I was me.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So it's like, why do you want me?
So does that play into how you view women?
Slightly. But I still vibe, I still have a good time, and if you can show me
That's
past
true,
that,
man. Imagine you
then
being
by
so
all
famous,
means we
you
get
don't know
past that,
what
but then
people
if
are actually
you
coming
can't
to you
show me
for, like,
past that,
if
then
they actually
you'll end up
respect you
staying
for you or
where,
what their
you know,
agenda really
wherever I
is.
stop.
So how does a woman show you that?
Just being genuine.
Just being genuine.
Yeah, man. Just being real. Getting your own Ubers when, you know, when you want to come see me. Just little tiny stuff like that means a lot. Like, oh yeah, you want to see me.
You're not
alright,
really
cool. So
using me
you
or anything
figure
like
out
that.
something to do for us to see each other or whatever. Oh, let's go cinema. I bought us 2 tickets. Like, that will make me think, rah, like, even if the tickets cost £20 or whatever the case is that, rah, she fully took her time out to go and plan something for us and bought 2 tickets for us.
If we're going for dinner
Yeah.
and I wanted to split the bill on first date, would you split the bill on first date?
I wouldn't split the bill, but I'll be so happy that you've wanted to split the bill. Like, inside me, I know, all right, cool, I can go on a couple more dates with you.
Have you ever taken a girl on tour?
No, but I'll take you on tour.
Oh,
Like, stop trying to sweet talk me.
I'll take you on tour. I'm being serious. Like, why do you think I'm joking? I like your vibe, I like your aura. What can I say?
Do you
I
think?
like the energy that I get off of you.
Really? I think I'm a bit cold.
No, I don't feel that. I feel like you're a bit warm. I might have to leave, you know. I'm not gonna lie. She doesn't even believe a word that I say anyways.
You're selling a lifestyle and you're selling the dream to me. So realistically, how are you actually going to find a good woman if you're doing
Not
that?
necessarily, though. I'll be able to sense or, like, pre-certain mannerisms of that person, for example, yourself. If I was to have
Yo,
you
this
around
guy
me
is still
and show
shooting
you
his
this
shot,
lifestyle,
bro.
whatever the case is.
I like how he's not
you
really
can
pushing
try
it too
and
much.
act
He's
as
like
though you're a
barely
genuine person,
giving
but
the
you
little
can only
into her.
keep that act up for a certain amount of time, a limited time.
What's a red flag for you?
Dead toenails.
So do you like feet?
My feet are not great, but I love a woman with great feet.
So would you have a foot fetish?
I don't know if it's a fetish, I just love great feet.
So you put my foot in your mouth?
It depends what kind of scenario we're in.
What do you watch?
Lesbian sometimes.
Lesbian.
I like 2 girls.
What, so do you have threesomes then?
Yeah.
How many threesomes have you had?
Like, it happens quite a lot.
Is it your idea or like they
No,
give someone-
sometimes I'm just shocked.
How noble of you just to help a woman out.
If that's what they want. You know, you've got to give women what they want.
He thinks he's so smooth.
Yo, dude, this nigga is smooth, bruh.
So how do you deal with, like, grief as a man?
I don't know, like, being
Damn,
able to
I
just
love
confide in
that
people
word,
as well
that give women what they want.
It's important. I feel like laughing and smiling is super important as well, because I laugh and smile a lot, but I only do that because there's a lot that I've been through or a lot that people around me have been through, and the best way to kind of deal with that is just to laugh about it.
But crying's important though.
No, it really is, man. It really is. Rest in peace, Jamal Edwards as well. He passed away recently.
I don't know who the hell that is.
Sad.
But yeah, like, it's crazy to see it happen. Even Fresh Ego Kid, Marvin Morgan, it's mad. But the best thing we can do is be there for them.
I'm guessing those are probably like
carry on
singers
fulfilling their legacies and
in
Yeah, I like that. Absolutely.
England.
What do you
something like
influence in your music?
I just like to spread love, spread happiness, spread joy, like letting people know that, yeah, like, you're bigger than whatever you think you are.
What's your
Okay.
favourite track of yours?
Just me, or
Or collaboration, however you want to take the question.
probably Love of My Life with Young Ads.
Oh, so
Big
is
up
that-
Remedy
so
on the-
he's
on the
not
buttons,
singer,
but yeah,
singer?
that's probably my favorite.
I'm gonna have to check him
Because
out,
it
bro.
has
I
different
don't know if
meanings
I
to
ever
it.
listened to his
And
song
it was
before.
'cause me and him
'Cause I used to
were
do a lot of
standing in the
UK,
booth and it was one mic, and we're just
Grimes and
moving,
songs,
keep each other
reaction.
away when we're
So I don't
ready
know
to
if I ever
spit.
heard
It
him
was mad
before.
natural. It's like, it felt old school, you know what I mean? And because you're the love of my life also. Yeah, nah, I think she's the one.
Oh my God,
Maybe
this
the
guy
2,
keep.
or
This
the,
guy,
or the
man.
3, or 4, or 5.
So how do you shoot your shot?
Excuse me, miss.
You come with that, yeah?
You're right.
What if I said, no, I'm having a bad day?
I want to make that day a bit better. Where are you heading to right now?
Home.
You're heading home. How about we go grab some ad day? What's up?
And then are you expecting sex on that date?
No, of course not. I wouldn't even expect that to be a date. I'm just, you know, I've just met you, I'm talking to you.
Dude,
I'm
this
trying to
guy
make
is-
that you're
this guy
okay,
know how
'cause
to
you told
talk,
me you're
bro.
having
He's-
a bad day.
Oh, that's an attentive.
That's how you win them over, bro. It's crazy. Oh, you can just be like, you can literally
Yeah.
play
I don't think it's that
and
deep,
what
man.
when mostly
Say
like
for
and then
someone
win
that
them
wasn't
over,
in
even if you're
like, your world or
pretending.
your industry.
Kind of crazy,
Do you not
yo.
see as it being like really bad?
Nah. If I had a girl, or if you were my girl, let's put it like that. When you're my girl, let's put it like that. You were liking pictures of celebrity people. Like, let's say Stormzy was still on the gram, and you were liking Stormzy's pictures.
Oh,
I don't know,
Stormzy is not on the
automatically
Instagram?
start saying you're
I'm gonna have to check that out too, bro.
get out of my house. Like,
Yeah, it's
I
a bit
have a
mad,
lot of
isn't it?
Stormzy reaction on the
things, innit?
channel.
It's not that deep. But,
Yeah, it's just a like.
Stormzy's
but
pretty
then at the
badass,
same
not gonna lie.
time, if you're consistently liking somebody's pictures, it could raise a concern. You know what I'm saying? But if you're genuinely into that person's music, into what they do,
Yeah, like a fan.
yeah, you're a fan of their there for the community, whatever the case is, and I can realize that, all right, cool, now you actually genuinely like that person, there's nothing I can do about that.
Yeah.
I've got fans that might have boyfriends, you know what I'm saying? So what, they shouldn't like my picture just because they have a man and their man's about it. Nah, man, grow up here.
Yeah, that's actually a good answer, bro. As you said, if you're constantly doing it in some weird
Yeah,
way,
see you again.
that's like a red
Wow.
flag, bro.
Oh my God, I actually thought that was her, no. Oh yeah, no, that's amazing.
Do you want to see me again?
I'd love to see you again. What do you mean by see me again? Physically or on TV?
Would you?
So I'm not talking about YouTube, I'm talking about like real life.
Okay, where are we going?
Where do you want to go? London now?
Would you just take everyone on tonight?
I've never taken anyone London now.
I'd let him take me to London Eye. I really like Fall, but if you've taken me somewhere, you've taken another woman, it will make me so mad.
I won't take you to Phuket, Thailand. I won't take you to Portugal, Algarve. I won't take you to Milan or Rome.
Do you just take women places and just, that's it?
No.
Why are you not making eye contact?
I'm just reminiscent, but I won't take you to them places. But everywhere else, I'll take you. Oh, Barcelona, maybe not.
So you just can't go anywhere?
No, everywhere else, I could take you.
I feel like what you do with your lifestyle, you just take women places and it doesn't
That's
mean
big
anything.
cat.
I don't know, you did just have a long list just then.
No, but the list could have been with people that I've taken to multiple places. So it could be one person that I've taken to multiple places.
Maybe.
Yo,
Exactly.
I like how he's
I can't believe she's actually believing.
he's
Hey, but it is what
lying.
it is, though, man.
You know, this guy is big brain,
Yeah.
bro.
Would you?
Yeah,
And I
I'm
don't
friends
think
with
she
quite a
actually
few of my
believed that.
exes.
Oh, sir.
Yeah.
Is that friends so you don't increase your body count?
No, I've never slept with an ex. Like, after I've done with them, I've never gone back there ever. Yeah? No, I swear to God. If you're an ex, I will then value
okay.
you as a friend.
Dude.
But I'm a good woman.
I'm tired of
And I
telling
will
this
put
story, bro.
100% into
I
us.
never ever
So if
trust
we don't work,
an
that's on
ex,
you.
bro.
I've had good women tell me they're good women and they're not
Dude,
good
listen.
Yeah, but I know I'm a good woman. That's why I'm
I,
like, yeah, because
you know what?
the
I'm not
fact
gonna
that
even
I can
mention it
hold
again.
a
There's a reason
relationship
why
with my
I wouldn't
exes,
trust my girl
I'm very
talking to
chill,
her ex
and that's why
because
my exes respect me and they
for
stay in my
certain
life.
reasons.
Friends with your ex. I thought your ex is
That's
your ex
mad.
for a reason. KMT.
Really, so if I was with you, I was like, I'm just going for dinner with my ex.
Or why would you go for dinner with your ex if
Because
you're
we're
with
friends.
me? But you can't
That
go
doesn't
for
make
dinner
any
with me.
sense,
I'm
bruh.
hungry.
I'm going for dinner with you.
I don't
Dude.
get why you'd want to link your ex
Because
for
we're
food.
friends.
There's
Like,
no
what if we're
such thing
actually
as friends,
friends?
bruh. There's
Why am I
no
even
such
here?
thing, bruh.
So what if I done
No
that? How
such
would you
thing as
feel?
friends with
I'm
yourself.
chill, genuinely.
Are you sure?
Like, yeah, I'm very secure. But I think also it depends on your behaviour.
Yeah, because that's
Like,
a bit.
if
That's
you
a
make
bit
me
mad.
feel secure as a woman, I'm not going to have to question why you're meeting your ex.
And I just posted with her and was just chilling.
Yeah, but
with
it
her.
depends. There's rules to it. Like, if you're
What's
not
the rules?
posting me, so people know I'm your woman, and then you'll start posting your ex, I will be like, what are you doing?
Okay, cool. That's one rule. What other rules are there? Wow, she keeps talking about rules and that. What's she talking about? Like, who made these rules? Like, are
Yo,
you the
this
law?
guy
Like,
is
what
completely
is this?
different behind the scenes,
'Cause this is
bruh.
intriguing. Like, I'm interested. I want to understand more how you can just, go for dinner with your ex.
It's because I'm an adult.
So that means you can go for dinner with your ex.
Yeah, because I can have a breakup that's not toxic.
Okay, so someone that will blow in your back out, you
yeah,
can be going to go
right.
and visit them for dinner.
Yeah, because it was years ago.
No, I
And
respect
have their
it,
willy in
but
your
it's just-
mouth.
and it's just you
Somebody
two.
that
Yeah,
got
we can
their,
easily do
their
that and just
willy
hang out.
in your mouth.
Why are you not
bruh.
looking at me?
This is, I'm confused.
Like, the people that I've dated are good men. So it's nice to know they're with good women if they are.
Dude, I like
No,
how
I
he's
get
actually
all
giving
of
her a
that.
confused face. He's like, he's like wondering in his head, like,
That's dead.
I don't
not
get
dead.
it. What's
Nah,
going
that's
on?
dead, that's
listen,
dead.
why is it
Nah,
dead?
you know what? No.
Why?
What do you think this is?
Just chill.
Come and chill with me.
Yeah, I am
I'm your
chilling
man.
with you.
I'm your man. No one else is your man but to me. I'm your man. I am the man. You chill with me. You don't chill anywhere else. This is not Antarctica. It's not chill. You understand?
No.
That's a bit scary, so that's a red
But
flag.
I'd much rather, right, so, okay, so, but would you not rather me be chill with an ex and on good terms and have a crazy psycho ex. It's wants
No,
to do
I'd
madness
love for you to be chill with your ex and be on good terms, but that doesn't mean
not
that you should
going
be
into
going to
freaking
dinner,
dinner.
and lunch and coffee with that particular person and just that person.
Dude, I like how he's actually putting his foot down, bro. Like,
Booty
you're
play.
not going to
Man
nowhere,
said,
bro.
booty play. What is this, fam? No one's touching my bum.
Yeah or no?
What's booty play?
Take it any way you want with the question.
As in like a booty call?
Touching me.
Oh yeah, I can touch your booty, but no one can touch my booty.
So what's your card then?
No, but I need to...
No.
We need to clarify this before I pick up a
Or
card.
you could pick it up and explain your answer.
So would you want to touch booty?
I'm selfish. I just like mine being touched.
Oh, you like yours being touched? Okay,
Yeah.
yeah, if we're talking about, touching your booty, yeah, I'd love to. Mine is off limits.
How long have you been doing music?
What do you mean, professionally? Or about 6 years.
So at what point did you have that transition where it was like, oh my God, like, I'm gonna make it as an artist?
Well, Addison Lee is when I felt like, I'm being noticed as an artist. And then, like, Aladdin was when I felt like, all right, cool, now people are taking me seriously because they thought Addison Lee was just a one-hit wonder thing.
Yeah.
But then I've come through with Aladdin. And then Sit Back Down and My Lover was like, all right, cool, yeah, I've built a strong, solid foundation and there's no way that I can be removed as an artist in the UK especially. But then at the same time, I really don't feel like I've made it yet. Because I feel like I've got my own
Like
kind of
internationally?
goals and shit. So like what people might view as made it, to me it's not made it. You know what I mean? Like,
So what's your goals?
I'm trying to take over the world.
Yeah?
Yeah, man. I'm trying to do stuff that has never been done before.
Do you love an ambitious man?
I'm pretty sure you do.
You look amazing, by the way. I just wanted to say again.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie,
Good
she look
talking
good for
now.
real, bro. I'm not gonna lie,
it's me
she
talking.
actually
And
look
drink
good,
only
bro.
brings out the truth in people anyway, so it is what it is.
She actually look nice for real.
Yeah,
I'm not gonna lie, I like her
stunning.
suit.
Thank you. Oh, he's smooth with it. He's got bars, you know. What would you do if my ex was after you?
I'll ask you to send me money. My enemies are after me.
Would you not fight for me?
But why is he after me?
Because
I'm
he
not
wants
fighting
me.
for girl. I'm not fighting for
Would you
gal.
not?
No, I'll say go
It's
take her.
different. Fighting for girl and fighting for your woman are different.
I'll say go take her.
Really?
He's your ex for a reason, right? So you're only gonna decline him, so then he gets declined by you, and what's he gonna do, fight me again? I'll just say go take her, go have her.
Would
It's
you, would
for
you
you.
really? Just give me up so easily?
Yeah, I'll say it's for you. And then you're gonna reject him, and then it's just not gonna happen.
But now I've lost you as well.
If you wanna lose me, that's cool.
Yeah, because you just feel like I'll have her.
Yeah, but that's because he wants to fight me for you, even though he doesn't have you. That's a bit...
He's moving mad.
Yeah, he's moving a bit dumb. If it was a different situation where he was just after me because he's after me and something happened and very cool, that's different. I'll thump him up, but...
Would you say you're a fighter?
I knocked someone out the other day.
Why? No, I don't like guys that fight.
What?
He was chatting
So who the
mad
hell gonna defend you?
and he's being disrespectful, so I just knocked him out.
But I'm a lover. Like, there's lovers or fighters.
I'm a lover
You know
as
what's
well.
funny? She
I'm
talking
a
about she don't
lover as
like man and
babe.
fight.
I'm a lover as well.
When
How's your day?
wait, what's going on here? When somebody be fighting you or trying to disrespect you, who the hell is gonna protect you if a man can't fight? Dude, sometimes Cheyenne say some stuff that is kinda like pretty strange. Pretty strange, bruh. Pretty strange, but okay.
We're holding hands now.
Damn.
What would you do if I wanted to start an OnlyFans? You still hold my hand, yeah?
Yeah, hold your hand. It depends. If you're just showing your hands on OnlyFans, then by
This
all means,
nigga is
and your feet,
crazy.
then cool. My girl with OnlyFans, am I?
I think this is
What? She should be my
one of the video I
OnlyFans.
think she's smart.
Really? So what's
I know
your
it from the
thoughts
gay
on
guy,
women
but
adult
like from a
industry?
straight guy, she's smart a
Nothing
lot
wrong with
from
them,
this dude,
man.
man.
I respect their craft. I respect what they do.
Or about as your
My
woman
dude
doing
still
it?
got her hands.
I don't respect the
Dude, that's
craft. I don't
crazy.
respect what they do.
Exactly. Everyone respects it until it's your woman.
No, 100, but then, the candle's gone out.
They
It's
just
all
blow
right,
it out.
though. You're lit, so it's cool.
Nah, he's funny.
You know what it is, yeah? I just feel like,
Damn.
once again,
Yo,
with the body
she's
count thing or whatever the
grinning
case
like
is, like, I
crazy.
can't have
See
my
what I'm
woman
saying, bro?
going out like that.
This is all
if
you
she's
do.
mine,
not try not to be too corny, just be smooth with it. Like this
You're
guy,
not
this
meant to
guy
be
is
shared
smooth.
if
I'm
you're
not gonna lie,
mine.
he's
You know
smooth
what
with
I'm
it.
saying? Am I attracting you?
That Cheyenne laughing. Look at that.
I
Damn.
love it. It's coming home. Hey, trust me. Hey, stand out TV. I hope I stand out with you, you know.
Do you remember my name?
Yeah, Sinead.
I'm just gonna leave.
Oh, that's not even her name.
Who is Sinead?
Oh.
One of his other women.
Fam, I can't believe I've said one of my twins' name
Damn.
instead of her name. Do you know how dumb that is?
He got the name wrong. Holy shit. Dude, I
Not
play with.
Sinead.
Wow.
Wait, hold on. Let me
Wow.
say it properly.
I'm going.
Cheyenne, that's it.
The one.
Cheyenne. Sorry,
Dude,
sorry.
that's-
There's bare girls in my head right now.
So how many women are you talking to?
I'm actually not talking to many.
So why
Oh
many
my
other names
God, he
before
fucked
mine?
I'm just
up,
talking
bro.
to one currently. And if you're better than that one, then by all means.
Dude, oh my God. He was actually doing pretty well, man.
What would you do
Until
if
that
I got put in
one
prison for 5
time.
years? Would you wait for me?
Yeah.
Would you?
Yeah, I'll just stick to my grind.
Would you really?
No,
Would you
wait
not
for me.
entertain other women?
No entertaining. Probably just get head. If it's 5 years, I have to bust a nut. There's no way that I ain't slamming while you're in that slammer.
Dude, I know he was lying about that part, bro. I would be
I
yesterday.
don't use my hands
Really?
since I was
do you,
like,
do you not
young.
masturbate?
No.
You don't touch
I'm
really?
not saying there's anything wrong
So
with
how
it.
do you
I'm-
release yourself? Loads of women.
You said that I did the whole masturbating thing. I just feel like a waste man afterwards. So.
Why? What do you mean?
You just bust your nut like in your hand and you're just looking at your hand, you're thinking, fuck, what did I just do?
Do you think you can be with one woman?
No, I could. I
Dude,
think I could.
I can't stop laughing,
I
bro. This shit
don't
is
know because
funny.
I'm not in that position yet. I don't have one woman to stick to.
Do you want just one woman?
I'd love to raise a beautiful family with just one woman. I have many kids with that just one woman. I have like a massive Christmas tree when it's Christmas. You know what I'm saying? Mother's Day, me and the kids all get her something. I would love to do all of that.
What would you do if I was in a gang?
What, are you talking like proper gang? Like,
Yeah.
I'll tell you to go get a job.
Really?
Yeah, what are you doing in the gang? Go get a fucking job. Go make money.
I am making money
No, you're not.
in my gang.
What, by doing what? Either selling you're selling drugs, and even the drugs that you're selling it for somebody that's selling it for somebody. So it's like, bruv, you're not making money. I know how much good youths make in a day. Like, you're not making money.
What would you do then?
No, I'll just tell you to grow the f up. She's all talking about gangs. Like, what's wrong with her? Like, being in a gang ain't cool, fam.
That's always a
There's
weird
there's
question that
nothing
Cheyenne
cool from
always
it. You don't even
asks,
make
like,
bread from it. Like, what are
being
you
in a
doing?
gang and stuff like that.
You
That's
get
kind
me?
of
You're
like a
just
weird
there,
question.
like,
man. Like,
haunted
very
for the rest of
interesting.
your life. Dead that, man. Some Essex gang. Some only ways Essex gang.
Don't violate Essex.
No, I rate Essex. You crazy? Yeah, well posh in that. You know what I mean?
That was not posh.
Oh, well Essex in that. You know what I mean?
What's your type, by the way?
My type. You.
You can't say that. It's like, what actually is your type?
I'm saying you. A girl that likes to wear hoops in her ears. Brown eyes. Them pretty brown
Oh
eyes.
my God, this guy, bro. This guy, man.
She knows how to dress.
Dude, I
White
wonder if
tips
her
and
art
all.
is actually
On
beating
the
right
toe.
now, bro. Like,
You, trying to be
seriously.
a charmer.
Natural nails as well.
I feel like you do this to all women, so I'm not even falling for you.
I'm being serious, you're my type.
Do you think you charm me?
We've almost finished a bottle of champagne, so I guess so. That's my outboard and that's just
Yo,
our
and the smiling,
flowing,
bro.
natural, beautiful
Damn.
conversation. So maybe. Well, when are we going on
Dude,
our
I
second
feel
date?
like he's gonna get the highest, bro.
Can we go on a second date, please?
Yeah, but you gotta actually ask me and pursue it.
I'm asking you now. I'll book it right now in front of you.
All right, cool. Well, you can book it.
Yeah, I'm
you just
booking it
just
now.
do what I like. When a man's just alpha, don't ask me because nothing will get done. Just book it. Tell me a time and a place, and just that's
Do you
it.
want to do
That's
like
all
the
us
river
women
thing
want.
as well? Do you want to like be on a boat?
No, it's too cold for them.
It's too cold. All right, cool.
I did enjoy my day.
Damn, look at
Love
her.
my date. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Yeah, it's a bit of banter, you know what I mean? Like, yeah, some of the times that I wasn't really being serious, you know what I'm saying? But overall, it was a phenomenal date. I've never been
Dude,
on a date
I
like
feel
that
like he's
before.
gonna get
No, you done
like
really well.
9 point
It's
something,
over that
bro.
or the champagne talking.
Yeah, no, I think I was all right on that barbecue grill, you know what I mean? I don't think like there was a problem. I didn't sweat. I'm still wearing a bomber on top of my t-shirt. So yeah, man, I think I handled it quite well.
Are you actually going to go to London Eye with him?
Yeah, he booked it.
Yeah, no, I have to take a London Eye now. I've made the
Damn,
promise.
man,
I've done it on camera.
Didn't really grill him, did I? He was strategic there, bringing the champagne.
I think I'll give myself a solid 9.
Oh, he's
I'll
quite
give you more than
confident,
that,
isn't he? He definitely rates himself quite high. Probably about 8.
Actually, no,
What?
man. I
No
put
way.
bubbly in a
No
fucking
fucking way. He's
heart-shaped
way higher
box.
than that.
But I'll give myself a 15, man.
So he dressed nice, brought me a gift. He was quite smooth, and he also booked a second date whilst we're there. That's the alpha energy we want. So I'm going to give him a 9.1.
Damn!